How to connect Bybit to MD5. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 5 app. And now you can see there is settings icon at the bottom right corner of this section. So just tap on that settings option, and now you can see there is new account at very first shown in the screen. So just tap on new account option, and once you do that, you can see there is search bar at the very top. So let's search for Bybit, and now you can see there is option or broker of Bybit Infra Capital Limited. So just tap on it, and you can see it is asking us for our login ID and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on sign in, which will be enabled once you complete your credentials. So just tap on sign in, and yeah, you will be able to log in successfully. And basically this is how, and this is the process to connect your Bybit to MetaTrader 5. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.